Using ingenuity, teamwork, and the cutting-edge 3D printers at Amarillo College, first-year engineering students engaged in group projects this semester in response to specific requests from departments college-wide. For instance, some students in Amanda Cooker's Introduction to Engineering class were tasked with developing an all-weather outdoor media stand for the mass media department. The prototype they came up with might one day be produced full-scale and be used for dispensing the department's award-winning student-produced publications.
So it's actually a redesign project. Redesign meaning they throw out an initial prototype and then we kind of hash it out, and at the end it's somewhat perfected. I'm really happy because it's not only usable, it's also feasible, but it's also really kind of fun to look at and play with.
The finished media stand would have LED lighting, it would be waterproof, and it would be conveniently located.
If it's just like outside by the clock tower, they can just get a copy as they're going to class, or just as they're leaving Palace, they can just pick it up, and it just with the attractive look that we're going to give it, it's going to feel like, oh look, there's a newspaper, let's go ahead and read it and see what it is, because it looks visually appealing or aesthetic looking.
We all have a job, we all have multiple classes, so it was just a lot more difficult trying to figure out when we could meet together, whenever we could put our ideas together, actually have something like a visual concept in front of us. So that was a little bit more challenging, but once we got that, everything went by pretty quickly. It was a pretty fun group project.